long should you plan on owning your home before you sell it? That's the focus of this week's episode of Selling with Shannon. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Realty in Long Beach, California. Traditional wisdom says that you should plan on owning a home for at least 5 years before you sell it. And that takes into account the average rate of appreciation along with the typical costs to buy a home and sell a home and the capital gains exemptions that you get by owning for at least 2 of the previous 5 years. So those are all good things to look at. However, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. We've had clients who have sold their homes before that 5-year mark very profitably and successfully and have been able to leverage their equity into other homes and opportunities that worked for them. We've also had clients who've owned their homes for many years and never plan on selling them. Certainly, the longer you own your home, the more opportunity you have to build equity. So it really depends on you, your equity position, and what your goals are. If you'd like help determining the current equity in your home, let us know and we're happy to put a report together for you. If you have any questions, let us know, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series.